Once you get the puppy, if you have a dog that needs to be groomed on a regular basis, which all of them do at one level or another, even your short-haired coat dogs need to be bathed on a routine basis, and you need to make sure that you're using the appropriate shampoo and conditioner. If you're using something that isn't appropriate, a lot of times you are going to create skin problems. Realizing the most common dog we see for skin issues are the short-haired dogs, because we have this idea that dish soap or human shampoos are appropriate for our animals. The reality is those are very harsh chemicals, and especially on puppies, you will take all the natural oils out of the skin, which will make them very itchy, irritated, and make them very prone to bacterial and fungal infections. So we need to make sure that we have an appropriate shampoo for the age and the hair coat so that we can take the best care of them. When you get a puppy, it's also very important that they get used to going to the grooming shop if they have to, and that they get used to being handled and go through the motions of what needs to be done. Realizing the first time you do a nail trim, it's going to be very, very different to them, maybe even a little painful. If you haven't done any training, that can be very scary, and sometimes this fear can last a lifetime. So one of the things I encourage clients to do with their puppies at home, just go through every day or every couple of days and pinch the nails. Not hard, just get them used to every one of their nails being touched, being pinched, so that they know kind of the sensation and they know that it's not a bad thing that you're doing to them. In the same token, it's very important. Stick your fingers in the ears. Run your fingers over their teeth like you're brushing their teeth. Do things that you're going to have to do routinely to them just to get them used to the motion. Realizing they're like kids. When they're young, they're very trainable, but they reach a certain point, it's very hard to get your point across without a knockdown, drag-out fight. We never want to get to that point, so let's do our training early so that they're prepared. If you have a groomer that you know and you love and you're going to go to, I encourage you to talk to them. Have them let them come into the shop, sit on the table, get a cookie, do something that's positive long before they ever even clip the first hair. Because by doing that, they'll get used to the environment and it's not so scary. I encourage everybody with puppies to come into our veterinary clinic, come in, stand on the scale, let's get a weight, let's give them a cookie, and let's send them home for the day. Let's try to keep that fear factor down to the very minimum. Because if every time they walk into a place, they have something traumatic done to them, it's no wonder they're scared to go into the grooming facility or the veterinary hospital.